वेलकम टू प्लैनेट बॉलीवुड एंड विश यू ऑल अ वेरी वेरी हैप्पी होली। हमारे स्टूडियो में आज ऐसे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग लोग हैं, जैसे कि बहुत कलरफुल कपड़े में आए हुए हैं। एज यू कैन सी द टीम ऑफ मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता, बट मुझे लगता है इंसानों को, मर्द को, सबको दर्द होता है। तो हम पहले बहुत सारे इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक से बात करेंगे, बट सबसे पहले बात करते हैं हम कि दर्द के बारे में। एज अ डायरेक्टर वसन, सबसे ज़्यादा where do you get hurt when you with the comments that come post a film from credible critics, or when your immediate industry people, when you have a show, they tell you that the film hasn't worked, or none of the above?
None of the above, या मतलब एक बार फिल्म आपके हाथ से निकल गई, फिर वो उनकी फिल्म है, फिर वो जो बोलना चाहें बोलें।
You can't detach that much.
नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, वो तो मैं अकेले में रहूंगा, पर
मतलब अकेले में रहोगे।
हाँ, लेकिन सबका हक बनता है
जी।
और तो ज़रूरी है सबको जो बोलना है। बस केआर के हमारा फिल्म का रिव्यू नहीं करने वाले।
What for you is hurtful as a filmmaker?
What for me is hurtful, not being able to make the film. That is hurtful.
और ये प्रोसीजर था थोड़ा बहुत, उसमें डिफिकल्टी हुई थी?
ये आई थिंक सबका ही स्ट्रगल है, अपना अपना स्ट्रगल है। आई थिंक जो क्लीशे रोमांटिक फिल्म लिखते होंगे उनको भी किसी हद तक एक स्ट्रगल होती ही होगी
जी।
और यहाँ पे तो मतलब ऐसी टाइप की फिल्म है तो स्ट्रगल तो होना ही था। आई थिंक यू डोंट रियलाइज इट बिकॉज यू डोंट फील इट इज ऑफ, बिकॉज यू रियली लव इट। इट्स ओनली व्हेन पीपल गिव फीडबैक देन यू अंडरस्टैंड, अच्छा यार ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही मेन स्ट्रीम से और इंडी से सब हर चीज़ से थोड़ा हटके है।
जी।
तो बट इवेंचुअली यू बी एट इट और फिर
And then ace it.
Yeah.
It's like Zen mode. अभिमन्यु, मैं मन्यु नहीं बुलाने वाली आपको, वो किसी और दिन के लिए रखते हैं। पर अभिमन्यु जी, ये बताइए कि what hurts most? Questions on nepotism? Or the fact that you are going to be compared to everybody else who's there?
No, I mean that's how they associate me, or they want to have a history to me. Then it's fine. I'm very proud to be my mother's son. What she achieved with one film 30 years ago, you know, people have whole careers and they can't achieve a remarkable significance in everyone's life with the name Suman, you know.
Yeah.
And I'm so proud of that. I'm trying to scratch my surface right now, and if I can, in my whole career, become a shadow of what she achieved in one film, I'm happy with that.
You know, जब हम बात करते हैं, you know, Ishan had said that I was selected in Beyond the Clouds, and of course Mr. Majidi said that I had no idea of you being, you know, Shahid's brother and whatever, and I don't function that way. I made him, you know, gruesome auditions, बहुत grill करके you were finally selected. Now, while you are Bhagyashrie's son, nobody's taking that away, and you obviously will be proud of that. You obviously, when you're launching, you, I'm sure, had other options that you could have explored. But the fact that you chose a film with such an interesting story, I feel you also are exactly telling me what Ishan was trying to say, that I mean, our choices will define who we are at the end of it, right?
Absolutely.
Tell me if I'm wrong.
No, absolutely. But I'm not going to take up the point that I could have got other options easily. Because the truth is that no one knew me in the industry at all. Neither did the media know me or cover me before they saw the trailer come out.
You're not Taimur.
Yeah, I'm not. No one picked up my hand at 21, 22, 23 and say that you're and said that, you know, I'm going to do something with you. I've been in this industry since I'm 21 years old. You know, that was 8 years ago. And I was an assistant director on Dhammarudam. So I've been here, I've done the grind, I've done the homework. And after doing what I did for so many years, I've got one chance.
जी.
Right? And of course, I auditioned for a lot of other films. Some of them did come back to me, but I didn't think I was ready. But when I met Vasan sir, he thought I was ready. So his belief in me made me believe in myself.
Like Radhika says, Radhika already, उन्होंने, अगर आपने इनके quirky promotional videos देखे हैं, by the way, I love them. Self-deprecatory humor or try to take jokes is my best kind of humor, I think. और मुझे लगता है promotional, that's the way to do promotions. Take it easy. अगर आपने नहीं देखा है तो बता देती हूँ, उन्होंने वीडियो में एक बहुत क्लियर कर दिया था कि लॉन्च इनका हो रहा है, मैं इनके सीनियर हूँ। और ये सीनियरिटी एस्टैब्लिश बहुत पहले हो गई थी। तो सीनियर जी बताइए कि डिड यू गेट दैट फीलिंग, वर यू ट्रीटेड लाइक अ सीनियर, वाज लाइक पहले इनका शॉट होगा, सीनियर है, फीलिंग आई वैसे वाली?
पहले इनका ही शॉट होता था, मैं सुबह आता था, मेरे शॉट हो रहे हैं, फिर अरे लिसन राधिका इज टू अर्ली तो वी हैव टू फिनिश हर चंक, और फिर मैं रात तक बैठा हूँ।
और ऊपर से इसको जलाने के लिए मैं बोलता था राधिका को देखे तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया उसके सामने, और फिर चला जाता
वो
अब मैं आप लोगों को क्लियर कर देती हूँ कि इस बात को दर्द नहीं होता, मेरी पहली मूवी थी पटाखा, मैंने बाद में शूट की है, वो रिलीज पहले हो गई, तो मुझे कोई ऐसा स्पेशल ट्रीटमेंट नहीं दिया जाता था। मैं पूरे दिन बैठी रहती थी वैन में, और मेरे को एंड में बुलाते थे, बोलते थे बस पासिंग देके चले जाओ। मैं ऐसे बोलती थी मैं पूरे दिन बैठी हूँ सर।
राधिका मदन स्टाफ।
Anyways, तो
Special
मतलब
treatment.
वो नहीं है।
There's a lot of PR machinery. A lot of actors have, we've discussed, and a lot of them who I know, and I'm sure Gulshan will have an interesting take on this. No, but really, I'm sure he will. That sometimes you just get caught up, like she was telling, you get caught up in the PR machinery. They tell you, अगर brand नहीं बनाया, तो you will not survive. Like you're not putting yourself out there too much. Sometimes it is your, the machinery trying to build. Ki, let's say, have a Radhika और इनका एक story book करा दो, they're dating or whatever. So that, have you tried to personally stay away, because it is going to take away the art from that artist, like you say, because you get involved in so much other things.
No, definitely. And that's the reason I've been out of the papers or out of everyone's eyesight till the film got, because that's the kind of person I am. I want my work to speak louder than I
The
speak.
stories.
And I'm extremely happy, if by chance any of you follow me on Insta or Twitter, you'll know that when my character is much larger and much more famous than I am, I don't want you to go home with Abhimanyu. I want you to go home with Surya.
Yeah, that's the win,
You know,
right?
and I think that's the greatest thing for an actor, because if you can connect to the character in some way and you forget the actor who's playing it,
Yeah.
that means that's I mean,
This is super because people call me Vasu sir. So
yeah,
I've already
exactly.
achieved this.
You have, exactly. Then that's how it is.
I think it's जो आजकल माहौल है ना, there's so much chaos and there's so much noise, and it's really easy for you to sort of get caught up in that. And it's also sometimes difficult to argue ki with people who are experts in public relations and all that, ki they'll tell you कि this is the way, you have to do this. It all depends on what is your ambition, आपको क्या बनना है आपका. And a lot of people I feel don't really know that who they are and what their ambition is, or clarity. And it's nice that although with him that I feel that he has some clarity about like
Where he's going.
because him saying that I want my characters to be known, I think that's how he wants to start.
Yeah.
Maybe at a later stage they'll his name will be out there, so maybe that's the his ambition.
Correct.
So फिर क्या होता है ना, फिर आप वो बह जाते हैं because you don't know, and then PR की ज़रूरत है, PR की ज़रूरत है, everybody will tell you, and it is definitely, it has its place, but blanket bombing हो जाता है ना, is everything just everybody is doing the same thing, and then it lacks a little bit of creativity. Again, things happen so quickly, people don't have time to be creative every time also, so it's a tricky beast.
Yeah.
You've, Radhika, you've spoken about how initially there was this entire tag about TV se aati hai and all of that.
Yeah.
In your own ways, you've broken stereotypes also. मतलब जब you come from, especially from one industry, which is technically same acting, but अब यहाँ TV और film में एक दूरी है, right? और there are stereotypes that you break. What were the other stereotypes that you really sort of had to deal with, and eventually it's you came out of it?
लकीली जो प्रोजेक्ट्स मुझे ऑफर हुए थे ना, उन्होंने बचा लिया मुझे कभी ऐसे, ऑफ कोर्स आई वाज ऑफर्ड, मतलब जब मैं ऑडिशन देने जाती थी तो ऐसे भी प्रोजेक्ट्स थे जहाँ पर मुझे सिर्फ प्रॉप बनना था, एंड बट आई वाज वेरी क्लियर इन माय हेड कि अगर मैं मूवीज में जा रही हूँ, मैं प्रॉप नहीं बनूंगी, चाहे जैसा भी हो मैं प्रॉप नहीं बनूंगी, क्योंकि क्या होता है टेलीविजन के अंदर उल्टा होता है. जैसे यहाँ पे अगर गाइस को ज्यादा प्रेफर किया जाता है, वहाँ पे लड़कियों को हीरो बनाया जाता है, अगर हम टेलीविजन में देखेंगे तो आई वाज काइंड ऑफ यूज्ड टू दैट आल्सो, कि वेयर द स्टोरी काइंड ऑफ रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द हीरोइन. सो आई वाज वेरी क्लियर कि भाई मैं स्टोरी को पहले रखूंगी, चाहे मेरा जितना भी रोल हो. इट इज नॉट अबाउट कि मेरे इतने मिनट का रोल होना चाहिए. इट इज अबाउट कि अगर मेरा 5 मिनट का भी रोल है तो क्या मैंने स्टोरी के अंदर, फिल्म के अंदर कुछ डिफरेंस मेक किया है. सो इट इज नॉट अबाउट दैट ईगो फैक्टर ऑल्सो कि भाई मेरा रोल होना चाहिए. इट इज अबाउट व्हाट डिफरेंस एम आई मेकिंग इन द फिल्म. सो अगर मेरे 50 मिनट होने से भी मैं सिर्फ डांस कर रही हूँ और मेरा कुछ नहीं है, या अगर मैं 5 मिनट आती हूँ और मैं एक डायलॉग भी बोलते हो या 2 डायलॉग भी बोलते हो और बोलते कि यार तूने उसको देखा था, मेरे लिए वो वाला इंपॉर्टेंट है कि यार तूने उसको देखा था कि नहीं.
जी.
सो इट्स वेरी क्लियर इन माई हेड अबाउट दैट. सो आई नेवर ऑडिशन फॉर दोज प्रोजेक्ट्स जहाँ पर मैम आपको ना, आप सुंदर तो हैं, आप थोड़ा नाच लेंगी तो बहुत अच्छा हो जाएगा. मेरे को मन नहीं, मेरे को चैन से सोना है यार, मेरे को घर जाके ना चैन से सोना है बस, और कुछ नहीं करना है मेरे को. और यही है, मतलब आई थिंक एज एन आर्टिस्ट सबका यही होता है कि तुम बस सो पाओ चैन से कि हाँ मैंने कुछ अच्छा किया है आज.
And you, because you told me this little anecdote, your friend and co-star Sanya had told me, and she's a lovely, lovely person, had told me how she had gone to Hyderabad once for an audition, and the person refused to give her a script, saying that you're an actress, you will not get a script.
Oh.
And I'm like, that's just insane,
Yeah, in the South, I think, I don't know.
right? I mean,
the culture of not sharing scripts. I don't know actor, actress, but
नहीं, but
वो
he
script ही
said
नहीं
that
देते
कि
किसको.
actress को हम नहीं देते,
That
actor
is
को.
ridiculous. Yeah.
I'm sure you've seen that around, right? You might not have been like put in focus at the time and discussed, but you see that there is also so much insecurity that you deal with as an actor.
Absolutely.
How did you sort of? I'm sure you thought in your head like, how did they do that? How do you balance that?
I mean, yeah, it's extremely scary because you're always looking for your next job, and when you're looking for your next job, there are 10 people, you know, who you see on an everyday basis running for that same job.
Yeah.
You know, and it's always, oh, have you seen that guy's video? He dances so well. Oh, have you seen that guy's body? Oh, have you? And you know, and these things are asked again and again to a person, and he starts wondering that, oh, why you're not talking about me? And then again that whole PR machinery comes
Correct.
into play and all of that.
Correct.
But fortunately, the film that we were doing got delayed a few times, and I had the opportunity to go 3 months absolutely into isolation, where I spoke to only the team and my trainers. So those 3 months I kind of introspected to also get into Surya's character, that because this Surya doesn't have those insecurities because he's unjaded
Yeah.
from the society, but I do. So I wanted to reach the closest form of innocence that I could, and that's why I realized what things that have happened in my life and what insecurities I have, and I'm ready to share them now. If I'm open to speaking about everything, then there's nothing to hide, and if there's nothing to hide, I'm not insecure.
What have you been insecure about?
There's so many things. I'm working with experienced actors. Okay, when I started the film, like, oh, Radhika's done 2 years of television. She got the role in one sentence. I've given 6 weeks of audition now to, you know, I meet Gulshan and I've seen Gulshan's work and he's fantastic. And then I'm going to be with Jimit, who's also an amazing actor. And then Mahesh Ji that I'm sharing the screen with, who's an institute in himself.
Yeah.
So obviously coming to that, I was scared in the film that मुझे कोई देखेगा ही नहीं.
Of course.
You
And
know?
what an honest thing to say.
It's obviously there are 100 other things that I had, but this, because we're talking about the film, this was the closest to the film. And I mean, I've left without that because I never felt that on. Obviously, it took me a few days to warm up because my first time shooting in front of the camera ever in life. But yeah, I've come out such a stronger person. Now I see, even while I was doing, I was trying to make sure that how can everyone else shine? Because them shining is not going to take away my light.
You're like,
Yeah.
You know? So I'm focusing on the best I can deliver to the scene, not that, oh, chalo, मैं इसको खाने की कोशिश करता हूँ, that mentality. It was like, this is my range and I'm going to stick to this, make sure Surya is the best, Abhimanyu is the best Surya they can be, that's it.
Have you been through the similar situations that he's spoken about dealing with insecurities?
of course, I'm very vocal about it.
Yeah.
मेरे को जिस टाइम पे फील होता है मैं तो बोल ही देती हूँ. मतलब मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे नहीं हूँ कि मैं आज गई और मैंने सोचा क्या मेरे अंदर ये है। मुझे लग ही रहा होता है करते थे तो मैं ऐसे बोल देती थी यार ये सीन है, मुझे ऐसे फील होता है। फिर मैं ऐसे बोलते बोलते मैं सोच लेती हूँ कि व्हाट कैन आई डू अबाउट इट। एंड तो मेरे को कभी ऐसे नहीं हुआ कि इनसिक्योर एज अ पर्सन। मुझे लगता है अगर एज अ पर्सन तुम नहीं हो तो तुम एज एन एक्टर कभी नहीं हो सकते। सब यार तुम्हें सबको अलग बनाया है, तुम्हारे पास सबके पास अपनी अपनी स्ट्रेंथ्स है, सबके पास अलग अपनी अपनी वीकनेसेस हैं। तो मेरे अंदर वो चीज़ नहीं है थैंकफुली अभी तक कि आई नीड टू कम्पीट, कि मैं कैसे कर लूँ। मैं अब ये करूँगी कि जो मैं बस ऑनेस्ट रहूँ, जैसे इसने बोला मैं अपना पार्ट कर दूँ। और हाँ बट मेरा ये नहीं होता कि मैं अंदर ही अंदर ऐसे हो रही हूँ, ऐसे नहीं होता मेरा। मैं ऐसे बोल देती हूँ कि मेरी ये है, मेरे को ये फील होता है, आप बता दो कैसे मेरे साथ वर्क करना है, या या तो मुझे समझा दो या समझ जाओ।
लेट्स वर्क इट अराउंड।
हाँ लेट्स वर्क इट अराउंड। ये चीज़ तो टेबल पे है
जी।
तो
And
देखिए।
that is why I couldn't get her to pay me.
Did she
this
tell
लड़की is
anything
so
to you
sorted.
ever?
What?
And she said कि मुंहफट है. Did she ever something?
हाँ बहुत कुछ बोलती है.
For
In fact with Gulshan and Radhika I can tell them क्या बकवास टेक दिया है and I can expect them to like kill it in the next tape.
अच्छा,
इसको मैं
मतलब-
कभी इतना मतलब ये
मतलब
थोड़ा
ego hurt
sensitive है.
types.
हाँ मैं कुछ भी बोलती हूँ. इनको तो कितना बार कुछ भी बोल सकता हूँ कि क्या है ये. मतलब I can be a little rude to them. हाँ.
But why were you not rude to him? You could
I don't know यार मन ही नहीं होता था. मतलब ऐसे थोड़ा
डरा हुआ लगा.
नहीं डरा हुआ कभी नहीं लगा. बट कभी उसको देख के मतलब ऐसा बोलने का मतलब ये नहीं.
Perfect. He was giving perfect takes.
नहीं, but Surya as a character, also it was a little tough on him because everyone else could be a lot more flamboyant than Surya. और सूर्या का क्या है कि उसको एक ग्रुप में भी ना उसको अपना पकड़ के ही रखना था. Like everyone else is human, inconsistent, contradictory, everything. तो problem with Surya is he can't be contradictory. और जब आप एक character contradictory नहीं हो सकता तो कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. मतलब एक it's like a straight jacket.
Yeah,
And
and
it's a
that's
very
more
very difficult role. और उसमें अगर आप किसी को थोड़ा झंझना दो या कुछ बोल दो या कुछ कर दो वो मेंटल फ्रेम से बाहर निकलना बहुत आसान है. सो इट वाज वेरी टफ एंड वेरी 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 एक्सक्रूशिएटिंग इन दैट सेंस. मतलब एक पेनेंस टाइप है
जी.
कि आप एक स्ट्रेट जैकेट में हो आप वो और आप देख भी सकते हो ना कि ये कुछ भी कर सकते हैं अपना बॉडी को कैसे भी हिला सकते हैं. ये भी कुछ भी कर सकती है पर सूर्या कुछ नहीं कर सकता. तो वो थोड़ा मुश्किल है.
Tell me what's your favorite होली memory? बताओ. होली तो खेला होगा.
गुजिया और
Of course, food.
Food,
Yeah,
definitely
I
food.
start with jalebi and fafra in the morning.
It's food.
दिल्ली में गुजिया.
Like the best thing about Holi, I think I'm a little over all this gulal and all that, but बचपन में बहुत मजा आता था because I was not allowed to. लेकिन घर पे नहीं तुम गंदे होके नहीं आओगे तो you have to rebel ना.
होली is a festival of colors.
ऐसे मैंने देखा है पर कोई नहीं. What about you? Do you also think this food for you होली?
Yeah, definitely. And
And
what I can
movie
say.
watching.
मतलब you've not thrown.
I mean, I have. I remember one very vivid memory that I had fractured my leg, and what my mom does during Holi is she watches a film. So I started the film for her, and my dad plays mad Holi. So I knew 3 hours now she's going to not leave the room because she's watching the movie. Give her popcorn, and I left with a fractured leg, with a plaster. I'm at this Holi party. My friends are dancing in front of me, and suddenly they stop. I'm like, "Arey, what happened?" And my dad is standing behind me like, what are you doing here? Drenched, the plaster is गीला. Sunday को मतलब कोई plaster भी नहीं निकालेगा. पैर गीला रहेगा पूरी रात तो फिर next day you're gonna get sick. तो
Gangrene हो
बहुत
जाएगा.
डिशूम बहुत.
All the best lines. Okay, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Let's all wish everybody happy Holi.
हैप्पी होली.
Happy Holi guys.
Holi.
और बुरा ना मानो होली है दोनों तरफ से. आप भी होली खेलो लेकिन अगर आपके साथ कोई खेलना ना चाहे तो आप भी बुरा मत मानिएगा.
Yeah.
Thank
Be
you.
nice to each other. Be nice to.
On that note, thank you so much. Do you feel the energy here? Because the energy is only getting double on.
21 मार्च आज
21 मार्च
Sorry. आज. मतलब अभी तो रिलीज हो गया ना कल रिलीज तो you can't say this. Then you can say अभी you can go and watch it on theater.
तो अभी आपने जो केसरी देख ही लिया है तो अभी
You can say it. It's
अभी
funny.
आपने केसरी देख ही लिया तो उसके बाद आप हमारी फिल्म देखिए.
बिल्कुल. Please
मजा
come
आएगा.
watch us.
मतलब अभी आप ऐसे पेट्रियोटिज्म मतलब आपके अंदर कूट के भर गया है और आपको
होली में बहुत सारे रंग होते हैं.
तो अभी आपको चाहिए कि भाई कुछ लाइट चाहिए तो प्लीज हमारी मूवी देखने जाइए.
लेकिन एक्चुअली जो 21 सोल्जर थे वो ब्रिटिश के लिए लड़े थे.
That's true.
मर्द को दर्द नहीं होता इन योर नियरेस्ट.
on that note, we know which film they have watched. So on that note, thank you so much, guys, and this was so much fun.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Happy Holi, everybody.
Thank you, happy Holi.
Happy Holi.
Planet Bollywood में वक्त हो चुका है to decode the style statement of your favorite Bollywood celebs, and we have with us Shikha. Hi Shikha, how are you? सबसे पहले बात करते हैं कियारा आडवाणी की. What do you have to say about her look?
So I think Kiara looked like a Disney princess on the red carpet. She really reminded me of that. She was seen wearing a beautiful yellow gown. It was off the shoulder and it had a sequence detail from one side, and then it was plain from the other. And it also had these really tiny intricate motifs and really detailed pleatings around the neckline. And it had a hip-high slit. What I love the most about the look is the hair and makeup. Her makeup was really fresh, and then her hair was kind of curled and crimped, and then she left a few strands outside and she didn't pull it back. She left it a little loose, so it framed her face really well and it looked really pretty. Only one complaint that I had with the look is that I think that she was a bit uncomfortable with the thigh-high slit, because if you'll notice, all of her photographs, she has her hand on one side. She was trying to cover it, and even the paparazzi videos that came out, she looked a bit uncomfortable in the outfit. So I think when people say that the most important style tip is to be comfortable in what you're wearing, this is what they mean. It's a great look, but she seemed uncomfortable, so it did not look as flattering as it could.
Right, on one hand, where she looked like a Disney princess, like you said, Alia Bhatt looked like Cinderella. Tell us about her Cinderella look here.
Right, so she looked like a botanical garden. She looked like a fresh flower walking down the red carpet. Her gown had beautiful 3D motifs on it. It had a sheer neckline, a slashing neckline which was sheer, so that looked kind of sexy. And then it had it was a full ball gown sort of gown, which had a full skirt which had 3D floral motifs. So that's basically not prints or not embroidery, but motifs that are like made out of fabric and stitched onto another fabric. So it was 3D, so it looked even more pretty. It had a white base, and then on top of that there were these multicolor flowers which looked even more beautiful. And with that, she wore a really fresh face of makeup. She wore really minimal accessories. She wore glossy lips. She did not even go loud with the lips. She usually likes to wear glowing makeup, which went perfectly with the vibe of the entire gown. And the hair looked beautiful as well. She wore these tiny braids. So I think she looked fresh. She looked like a flower on the red carpet.
Okay, so moving on from Alia Bhatt, let's talk about Sonam Kapoor. What do you have to say about her look?
So I have mixed feelings about Sonam Kapoor's look. I love the lavender color on her. I like how she carried it with a box clutch. I like how she wore it with drop earrings. So the styling was all right, but I think the fabric somehow did not photograph very well. The cape detail felt a little dated. I think we're done with seeing capes. You want to see something new. I like the pleating around the neckline, however, and I think the color really stood out and worked for her.
Right, also only a particular body type can actually carry that off.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. So this time I don't think I was very impressed with Sonam's look, but I absolutely love the color.
Alright then, that was our Style Today segment. Thank you, Shikha, for decoding it for us. Well, hope you had a great Holi and the celebrations still continue. For now, this is me, Sagarika, signing off.
I'm Kunal Saluja, and keep watching Zoom, styled by Myntra.